L is a linear transformation function of vectors given by L of vector v equals A times vector v, where A is a 2 by 2 matrix. I vector is in component form 1, 0. The vector j is component form 0, 1. They are standard unit vectors in two-dimensional space. A times vector I is the matrix 0, 1, and A times vector j is the matrix 1, 0. Determine L of a vector in component form negative 2, 3. Okay. Well, that's component form, and if I wanted to, I can write it out in unit form as 2 times vector I plus 3 times vector j. Okay, if I wanted to do that. I just found out that I is 0, 1. So if I wanted to, I can do negative 2 times 0, 1 plus 3 times 1, 0. Okay, which this is just scalar multiplication. So negative 2 times 0 is negative 2. Negative 2 times, just kidding, it's 0. I don't know why I said that. Maybe I was looking ahead. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. And we end up with 0 plus 3 is 3. Negative 2 plus 0 is 0. 2. Negative 2. Whew. Negative 2. Now, what this means is we now have a vector in component form that looks like 3, negative 2. So it's a very bizarre problem. Very bizarre problem, but that turns into that.